Welcome to my home and my kitchen. If you can't come to us, we will come to you to share recipes, tales, and myths of the origins of our ingredients and how these have affected culinary history. So, let's get started. We're going to make fresh pasta right now. We're going to make a fresh egg pasta. Where does it all start? Well, certainly not from Marco Polo, as the legend goes that he brought it back from China. It's much, much more ancient history. It comes from the time of the ancient Greeks. And it starts with the goddess Demeter, who is the goddess of agriculture and carries in one arm a sheath of grain. Then there's also the original hottie, the god Fresca, who was the god of fire, of volcanoes, of blacksmiths. He is attributed with the first tool to make pasta, 2 tubes that pasta was pushed through to make long ribbons. So that's how far it goes back. The original word pasta is also a Greek word. But in the meantime, let's start making our dough. Then we're going to take a fork and scramble up the eggs. It has to get nice and smooth, and you can see it starts bouncing slightly. At this point, we're going to form it in a ball and wrap it up in cling wrap and let it rest for about half an hour. Not in the refrigerator, you want it to rest at room temperature. If you're making the dough a day ahead, then you would put it in the refrigerator, but take it out an hour before you roll it out so it comes back to room temperature. And when you handle the pasta, if you handle it on the back of your hand, like a waiter who has a napkin, it won't stick to your fingers or break. Farfalle also means, well, really means butterfly. A bow tie is called a farfalla because it looks like a butterfly. This is a little time consuming, but we're all in lockdown here in Italy, so what else are you gonna do? Already made bread this morning, now we're making pasta. Next step, I think I'll make a sauce. Then I'll just go to bed with my belly full after having a big glass of wine, and another day of lockdown's gone. Well, there was the pasta. I hope you enjoyed our time together. Keep following. And in the meantime, mandiamo un bacione da Firenze. We send a big kiss from Florence. Ciao, alla prossima.